Hey, how's it going? It's Heather with Papers, Caffeine, and Life. Grab your favorite drink, pull up a chair, get some cool paper, and let's get busy.
Hey, welcome back to Junk Journal July. Today is actually July 8th. I've been gone for a few days, sorry. But with the holiday and we had baseball and everything this weekend, it was just too crazy. I couldn't come down and craft. So I'm going to do just one big page spread to do days 4 through 8. So today, like I said, is the 8th. So today is actually observe, and the ones that I'm catching up on is day 4 labels, day 5 lettering, day 6 wildlife, day 7 window, and day 8, like I said, is observe. So I'm actually just going to do like a very literal interpretation of these because for some of them I really couldn't think of much. So yeah, and I'm actually gonna skip 2 pages. We can come back and do something else on there, and I'm gonna use this page because this page, the colors work better with what I'm gonna do. So I have a few things. So for my label, I love this one, and it's just a free printable. For my wildlife and window aspect, I like that it has a frame around it, and there isn't any wildlife in here, but I have cute little squirrels, and at my house we have a ton of squirrels, so I'm kind of obsessed a little bit. So I'm going to use a squirrel sticker. And then I have this old-fashioned lady. That's going to be like our observe part of it. And then we're going to use like the squirrel and the little label. And we're going to kind of just, layer a whole bunch of things together and make a really cool page spread. So first, what I want to do is I want to kind of create some interest in the background. So I have this paper, which actually came off of the paper that the lady came from. And again, it was just a free printable. I get a lot of my free printables off of Pinterest. If you just do like a basic search for like free junk journal digital paper and stuff like that, there's always a ton of stuff. So that's where I get a lot of mine. And then I brought some washi tape. So this one is a deer head, like that. And then I have just some plain brown gold-ish tape. So I thought that would be really cool to have a contrast. And then I also have some of this shiny metallic one that has the triangles on. I'm not sure if I'm going to use that one or not, but I brought it along just in case. So across the top here, I want to do the deer head. Oops, and it's a little cockeyed. So I hope everyone had a really nice 4th of July. We did. I mean, we kept it pretty low key, but we had a good time. And then we had 2 all-star baseball games. Baseball is done for us for just a little bit. They won one of the games, and then they ended up losing the other one, so now they're out, but that's okay. They all did really well. All right, so there's that. And then down the side, I'm going to do this one. Okay. And then, I don't know, yeah, maybe across just a portion of it. I'll do this one. And this one's really old washy, so the back is like, it has a backing on it. And it's like bubbles and it's weird, so. Okay, and again, I don't want to go all the way down, so we'll take some of that off. We'll just leave it. All right, so now we have the basis, and then I think I'm gonna glue this down here. Yeah, let me ink up a little bit though. I like doing these big collage pages because it adds interest, and some things, you know, it's good to only have like 1 or 2 things on the page, but some things like the label prompt and other things like that, unless you're adding it to something else, it's kind of not like just a one page thing. You have to, you know, add some other things to it. So I kind of like being able to do a few things at once. I think I need to fill my glue. It's getting a little low. All right. So that's that. And then I do also have some lace, but I'm not sure where I want to add that yet. I'm not sure if I want to add it after, or if I want to kind of add it in between. Let's see. Oh, I like it on the lady, so maybe we'll add it to the back of the lady. Let's go ahead and glue that down so that can have time to sit for a minute. I think that's super cute. Alright, so we'll let that sit for a minute. And we'll go ahead and glue down this because I know I want to put this here for like our window. Okay, and then I think I want to add our label next. Kind of like maybe right there. And then our lady is gonna go something like this. Yeah, I like that. because there's lace, I'm going to use some tacky glue. That looks super pretty so far. I was looking for my wet wipe. There it is. Make sure you push it down extra good just because that lace makes it want to stick up in the air a little bit. It's perfect. Guess I should have inked a little bit, but we'll just kind of go around it. Kind of make it look like it's got like a vignette around it. We'll just ink up our label because it got a little extra on it. Okay, cute. Now, where do we want to put our squirrel? Do we want to stick him in the middle, down here at the bottom, or right here? Kind of like him here, but does that look weird? Maybe we'll just stick him at the bottom. Let me ink him up a little bit because this is one of them. This is in one of my fall kits, and I cut it out on the Cricut, so it left a little bit of a white border. Alright, so like that. Again, we can come in and just ink a little bit up, give him a little bit of a shadow. Cute. And then where is... I made a little label with some letters on it. Hold on, because maybe I misplaced it. Hold on one second. Alright, so when I moved everything before I started my video, I must have thought it was garbage and threw it away. I don't know, I couldn't find it. So I picked out a different word. So the word that I picked out is wondrous. And I think I really like it here. It kind of ties everything down here in together. And then we just need something right up in here. So I was trying to figure out if I wanted another squirrel, but that one's gigantic. Or if I wanted some sort of flower or something. Or what about a butterfly? No, I don't really like a butterfly. So hang on, let me see if I can find something to put up there. All right, so I did in fact use a butterfly. This butterfly actually goes with the kit, so it kind of matched a little bit better than the ones that I was finding. And I just have a piece of lace. It's the same lace that we used on the lady, so it kind of ties in. Let me just zoom in a little bit. That way you guys can kind of see what's going on. All right, so here's our little butterfly, and it's very delicate because it's very, very small. So I'm just gonna put our little guy on an angle, and I think that looks really, really pretty. Just like that. And I think we're going to call this page done because we have our, let's see, where's my paper again? All right, so we have our label, our lettering. I figured this would be better because we were layering a whole bunch of things than trying to write something. So that's what I did for lettering. We have the squirrel as our wildlife. And then we also have, you know, like what the wildlife would live in. Then I used the frame as our window. And then this is what you see in the window. And then I used the lady, which also kind of looks like she's in a window or a frame, and she's observing what's going on. So that's how I interpreted the last 4 days of prompts. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. I will hopefully not be MIA for the next 4 days. Hopefully I'm going to come back tomorrow and continue on with Junk Journal of July. I should either today or tomorrow also have a new Christmas in July video uploaded. And yeah, if you like this, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. If you have some friends that haven't seen my channel yet and you think they would enjoy it, please let them know. And until next time, guys, see ya!